All right, here I am at Healing Grove Health Center. Man, we are making so much progress. So I want to take you on a quick tour so you can see what's going on here. So this is our large meeting area. You can see that the guys are working on the ceiling tiles right now. So it's really coming together. I got drywall up and spackling. Here's our prayer meeting room and boardroom. There you go. Coming over here. Here is one of our therapy rooms. You can see the awesome artwork there from Rocio. Another therapy room. Okay, coming over here. So, walking through here. So this will be the front entrance over here to the clinic side. So there's one of the exam rooms. Okay, a couple more exam rooms here. You can see these guys are working on the ceiling tiles over here. Coming over here, here's some more exam rooms. Here's our procedure room. Looking good. Okay, coming out here. So our nurse's station will be right here. Here's my office. These guys are working on the doors there. And then here's the waiting room. So you can see this place is coming together quick. Loving these prayers on the walls. So just thankful for everybody that's making contributions to make this happen. Thankful for everybody that's making contributions to give these guys jobs. And praying the Lord that we can get this done.